Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at better deals, which is the best deal when you're going to buy something. So I highly recommend that you've completed the rates video and the converting units videos. If you've seen these, then today's lesson will be a lot easier on you. So determining which buy is the better deal is easy to see when we compare unit rates. So we already saw unit rates, now we're going to put it into practice. So example 1. Package of 8 razor blades is on sale for $30 at store A. Store B sells the package of 18 razor blades for $59. Which is the better deal? So we're going to look at some unit rates. Store A, 8 blades for $30, 0.26 blades per dollar. That's our unit rate right there. Store B, 18 blades for $59, 0.31 blades per dollar. So we're looking to compare which is the better deal. So blades per dollar, we want a higher number so that we get more blades per dollar. So here we have 0.31 blades per dollar. This is a higher amount than 0.26 blades per dollar. So store B is the better deal. Let's examine the other unit rate. Instead of blades per dollar, we're going to look at dollars per blade. So $30 per 8 blades makes it $375 per blade. Store B makes it $327 per blade. So this is the amount it costs for one blade. We want it cheaper, right? We want it to be cheap. So 3.27 is the better deal. Store B is the better deal because 3.27 is cheaper than $375 a blade. And so note, you can use whichever unit rate you'd like to use, dollar per blade or blade per dollar. You just have to be careful when you're comparing the units because you're thinking differently. It has to be more or less, cheaper, more expensive, etc., etc. So just be careful of whatever unit rate you use that you're taking care of. Oh, is it more blades per dollar or is it less dollars per blade kind of thing? Okay, another example. Example 2, find the better deal. So this here is covered like that. And so we have different sizes and price for the different sizes. And so we're going to go 100 ml divided by 0.85 gives us 117 ml per dollar. So we're going to do the unit rate here and the unit rate here. And you see, when we look at all of them, we're comparing mLs per dollar. So we want more milliliters per dollar, right? For every dollar, we want more. And so the higher one is the middle here at 151. And so the 250 ml size is the better deal. Okay, example 3. A drink comes in 3 different packages. So we got a single can for $3.10, a 6-pack of 330 ml for $14.95, or a 2-4-pack 330 ml for $48.95. And so I'm going to compare mLs per dollar, milliliters per dollar. So the first one here, 500 ml per 310 gives 161 milliliters per dollar. The second one, we have 6 times 330 ml, right, because it's a 6-pack, divided by $14.95 gives us 132 ml per dollar. So out of these two, this one's the better deal because you get more per dollar. And 3, 24-pack of 330 ml, so 24 times 330 gives 7920 ml per $48.95, which gives 161.80. And so the 24-pack is slightly more ml per dollar than the can. So the 24-pack is the better deal. Okay, example 4. A package of ground beef costs $14.85 for 1.5 kilograms, and the other pack costs $7.18 for 1.3 pounds. Which is the better deal? So we're going to start out by looking at 1.5 kilograms per $14.85, which gives 0.10 kilograms per dollar. So that's our unit rate. The second one, B, we're going to convert pounds to kilogram. So we want pounds on the bottom, so 1 per 2.2 pounds. Pounds cancel out. 1.3 divided by 2.2 gives 0.59. And so now we're going to look at this new unit rate, 0.59 kilograms per $718. which gives 0.082 kilograms per dollar. And so package A is better because you get more kilograms for each dollar. Okay, practice number 1. Find the better deal. So we have different sizes, different prices, unit price. Go ahead and pause the video and find the better deal. Okay, what do we have? We have 50, 47, and 51 mLs per dollar. And so 51 is the bigger amount, right? We want more milliliters per dollar. So the 250 size is the better deal. Okay, practice number 2. A drink comes in 3 different packages. So we have a single 500 ml can for $2.15, a 6-pack of 341 ml for $10.95, or a 24-pack of 341 ml for $36.95. So go ahead and find which is the better deal. Okay, we're back. So we have 500 ml per 215 gives 232 ml per dollar. 6 packs, 6 times 341 to get the total amount of mLs divided by 1095. So it gives 186. So the can is better than the 6-pack. 24 pack, 24 times 341 ml divided by 36.95 gives 221. So 232 ml is more mLs per dollar, and that's what we want. So the single can is the better deal. Okay, practice 3. A 9-ounce steak costs $8 and a 0.7 pound steak costs $9. Which is the better deal? And so 16 ounce is 1 pound for your conversion. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that question. Okay, so number A, 9 ounce costs $8, so unit rate is 1.125 ounce per dollar. B, we're going to convert pounds to ounces, so 16 ounce over 1 pound, pounds cancel out, 0.7 times 16, 11.2 ounce. So we're going to use that for our unit rate, ounce per dollar, right? $9 is the amount, which gives 1.24 ounce. So in the 2, this one gives more ounces per dollar. So the second steak is the better deal. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.